Hey, want to know what's new at Colossyan? We've introduced some pretty cool stuff, so let's dive in. To start with, we've added not just one, but 7 new actors, myself included. Now, let me introduce you to Yusuf,
Hey,
Matt,
Hi.
Nick,
Hey there.
Angela,
Hey.
and finally, Elena in 2 different outfits.
Hi, this is my formal look, and this is the casual one.
The changes don't stop here. Elena, can you tell everyone what else is new?
Sure, let me introduce you to Prompt to Video. With the help of our Prompt to Video feature, you can now create drafts in seconds. Just type in your topic, and our AI will create the draft for you. With this feature, it is now easier than ever to start making a video about anything. Now, there is another great update that can elevate your video production.
I am happy to announce that we've finally released official Colossyan templates. There is no need to work from scratch anymore, as these professionally designed, fully customizable templates will save you time and help you create engaging videos about all kinds of subjects, from learning and development to company reports. Our team worked very hard to take your Colossyan experience to the next level, and we hope that you enjoy these updates.
Thanks, and see you all soon. Happy creating!